Hello students, in this video we are going to solve cube root of x minus cube root of y. This is equals to 10 and x into y, this is equals to 8 minus x minus y divided by 6 bracket whole power 3. Here we will find out the value of x and y are belongs to real number. Here we will apply my favorite method, substitution. Let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. Here if we substitute cube root of x, this is equals to m, and cube root of y, this is equals to n. If we take cube both side, in left hand side cube root of x, this is equals to m, and here if we take cube, then this cube root is cancelled out by this cube, then x is equals to m cube, and here cube root of y, this is equals to n, and if we take cube both side, then this cube root is cancelled out by this cube, then y is equals to n cube. Then here this cube root of x is replaced by m, then here m minus this cube root of y is replaced by n, then here n, this is equals to 10, and this x is replaced by m power 3, then here m power 3, this y is replaced by n power 3, then here n power 3, this is equals to, and 8 minus x is replaced by m power 3 and y is replaced by n power 3 and divided by 6 bracket whole power 3. In left hand side we will apply base and exponent rule, that is a power m times b power m, this is equals to a into b bracket power m. If we apply this rule, then in left hand side m into n bracket power 3, this is equals to 8 minus m power 3 minus n power 3 divided by 6 bracket whole power 3. Here we know that x and y belongs to real number, so it means m and n also belongs to real number. Here if we take power 1 by 3 both side, then in left hand side m into n, this is equals to 8 minus m cube minus n cube and divided by 6. Now if we multiplied both sides 6, then here 6 and here multiplied by 6, then this 6 and this 6 is cancelled out, then 6m and this is equals to 8 minus m cube minus n cube. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then m cube plus n cube plus 6mn minus 8 and this is equals to 0. Here m minus n, this is equals to 10, m minus n, this is equals to 10, then m is equals to n plus 10. Now here m is replaced by n plus 10, then n plus 10 bracket power 3 plus n cube plus 6n, and m is replaced by n plus 10 minus 8, this is equals to 0. Here if we apply a plus b whole cube, we know that a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. If we apply this rule here, then n power 3 plus 10 power 3 plus 3 n square times 10 plus 3 n 10 square plus n cube, this n cube is here, plus 6n is multiplied by n, then we get 6n square, and 6n is multiplied by 10, then we get 60n minus 8 and this is equals to 0. Here n cube plus n cube, that is 2n cube. 10 cube, that is 1000. 3n square is multiplied by 10, then we get 30n square. And 3 and 10 square is 100. 100 is multiplied by 3, then we get plus 300n. Here plus 6n square plus 60n minus 8, and this equals to 0. Then 2n cube plus 30n square, and here 6n square is 36n square. 300n plus 60n is 360, and 1000 minus 8, that is 992, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, all the terms are divisible by 2. So here if we divide by 2, and here if we divide by 2, and here if we divide by 2, and divide by 2, then this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out. This 36 is divided by 2, then we get 18. This 360 is divided by 2, then we get 180. And this 992 is divided by 2, then we get 496. And 0 divided by 2 is 0. Then here n cube plus 8n square plus 180n plus 496, this is equals to 0, because 0 divided by 2 is 0. Here this is cubic equation in terms of n. So first we will find one root of this cubic. Here if we put n is equals to minus 4, then this cubic is satisfied when if we put n is equals to minus 4. It means n is equals to minus 4 is a solution of this cubic. Then n plus 4 is a factor. Now if this cubic is divided by n plus 4, then quotient is degree 2 polynomial. So this cubic n cube plus 18 n square plus 180 n plus 496 is divided by n plus 4. Then here n square is multiplied by n, then n cube. N square is multiplied by 4, then we get 4n square. Then minus minus. This n cube is positive and this is negative, is cancelled out. Here n 18n square minus 4n square is 14n square plus 180n plus 496. Here if we take 14, then 14n is multiplied by n, then we get 14n square, and 14n is multiplied by 4, then we get 56n. Then minus minus. 14n square is positive and this is negative, is cancelled out. Then here 180n minus 56n is 124n plus 496. Here if we take 124, then 124 is multiplied by n, then we get 124n, and 124 is divided by 4, then we get 496. Then here negative and here negative. Then this and this expression is cancelled out. Then factor of this cubic is n plus 4 is multiplied by n square plus 14n plus 124, and this is equals to 0. We will apply if a into b, this is equals to 0. This implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Then here we can say n plus 4, this is equals to 0. And here n square plus 14n plus 124, this is equals to 0. Here value of n is minus 4, and here this is quadratic equation. So first we will check discriminant of this quadratic equation. Then value of a is 1 and value of b is 14 and value of c is 124. Then discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Then b, that is 14 square minus 4, and value of a is 1 and value of c is 124. Then here 14 square is 196 minus 4 is multiplied by 124, then we get 496, and this is less than 0. So here you can see clearly discriminant of this quadratic is negative, it means here no real roots exist. N does not belongs to real number. Now n is equals to minus 4. M is equals to n plus 10. M is equals to n plus 10. And we know that value of n is minus 4. Then m is equals to n is replaced by minus 4 plus 10. Then here m is equals to 6. We have m is equals to 6 and n is equals to minus 4. If we take cube both sides, then m cube this is equals to 6 cube. Then m cube this is equals to 216, and here if we take cube both sides, then n cube this is equals to minus 4 power 3. Then n cube this is equals to minus 64. And we know that m cube is x and n cube is y. So this m cube is replaced by x is equals to 216 and this n cube is replaced by y, then this is minus 64. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and thank you.